permanent resident of United States of America. I got to know about AWS CWI training with Eurotech certification and assessment, and I got to know them through a friend of mine, which has undergone training with them. So coming down to India and here, I find the training very knowledgeable and very okay. So most of their lecturers over there, they are okay, they are sound with the latest mode of teaching, and I've been there and even the NDT training. So all of them, I think they are okay. They are okay to international standards. So I will enjoy any other person, any other people that are interested in doing the training with them to come over here and see what is over here, what is in their facility. So I will advise any other person that want to do the training with them to try, and I will endeavor, I will appeal to them not to look at the distance, because India is far to some other country, but not to look at the distance, so that to come over here and have a good lecture, a good teaching from most of their lecturers here. So I hope everybody that come here will have a taste of the way their mode of teaching is. So thank you.